Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.3, Problem 22. This is Section 3.3, Problem 22. It says Steve leaves his house in the morning and travels 7.3 miles to get to work. After work, he travels 3.6 miles to get to a store. Then from the store, he travels 5.8 miles to get home. How many miles did Steve drive? So what I have to do is just add those numbers together. So I will add 7.3, the distance from Steve's home to his work. And then I'm going to add 3.6, the distance from his work to the store he went to. And then 5.8, the distance from the store back to his home. Now, as I add these digits, I want to make sure that the decimals line up vertically, and they do. They're all nice and in line. So I can go ahead and start adding. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 8 more is 17. So I put the 7, carry the 1. And as I'm adding this, that decimal point, again, continues straight down into my answer. And now 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. So I get an answer of 16.7. Now, this is a problem that includes some units of measure. Everything was given in miles, so I should state my answer in the correct units of measure. So it's not just an answer of 16.7. The answer is 16.7 miles.